so if it was a Hollywood Bowl, it would be like moving left and right now. So we just saw,
Look how perfectly still they are.
we saw the pattern. Then it broke into like 5 stars, and okay, now it's going away. Now it just de-illuminated.
I have a 10 a.m. pickup from Manhattan Beach. It's as directed. Just it's our
Oh, you see it?
conscious commercial. See, it's not like you do that all day, like you should come from the top. Not on the day.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Whoa.
No, I understand about it. Speed up. Yeah. As soon as we out with them, okay, we're in Long Beach actually. So we said we should be done with Huntsville. We should be out of here by like 2:30, but I have to be with them again tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. Okay, if anything changes for me tomorrow morning, I'll let you know. Yeah, okay, for sure. Okay. Oh, for sure.
It's
No,
gotta
I
be
know.
like.
But what for?